In this video, I'll show you how to delete all Gmail emails on any phone. First, here's the most important thing to know. In the Gmail app on both Android and iPhone, Google says the Select All option works in batches, and by default it selects up to 50 messages at a time. So if you want to delete everything from your inbox or another folder on your phone, you usually need to repeat the Select All step more than once. Let's start with the Gmail app method, because that works on both Android and iPhone. Open the Gmail app, then go to the mailbox or label you want to clear, like Inbox, Promotions, or Social. Next, touch and hold one email to begin selecting messages. After that, Google says you can tap the checkbox next to Select All at the top left. That selects up to 50 emails. Then tap the delete icon at the top. If you have more than 50 emails, repeat the same process. Google's mobile help pages say to delete 50 more messages. Scroll back to the top and tap the box next to Select All again, then tap Delete again. So on a phone, deleting everything usually means working through your emails in groups of 50 until the mailbox is empty. This same batch delete process is documented for both Android and iPhone or iPad. Now here's a very important detail. Deleting emails from Gmail usually sends them to trash first. That means they are not completely gone yet. Google's help says after deleting messages, you should open the menu, go to Trash, and tap Empty Trash Now if you want to permanently remove them right away and free up storage faster. Google gives that option on both Android and iPhone. If your real goal is to delete absolutely everything much faster, Google's mobile app is not the most efficient option. Google's storage help and community guidance point users to the web version of Gmail on a computer for larger bulk deletions, because the phone app is limited to those smaller selection batches. So the Gmail app can do it, but not in one tap, for a huge mailbox. One more thing to remember. Deleting emails from one device usually affects that same Gmail account on your other devices too, since it's the same mailbox syncing across Gmail. So make sure you really want to remove those emails before you continue. Google's support discussions consistently describe Gmail deletion as account-level, not device-only behavior. So the simple process is this. Open Gmail on your phone, go to the mailbox you want, select one email, tap Select All, delete up to 50 messages, and repeat until everything is gone. Then open Trash and tap Empty Trash Now to remove them permanently. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.